dyan lang. Assalamualaikum to each and everyone. Today is the beautiful day. So very strong sunshine today. You see here, this one over there. You see the sunshine when it strike out, so very strong. You see, you cannot see the road there over there. Spike to the ice. Over there. Oh, this one here is rush hour, rush hour. Over there is on, not on. This is the yellow light. It means slowly, slowly, and then this one is again still traffic. Traffic light over there, go out, and there over go out to the other side. Oh, so many school bus. This is the private light bus, the yellow one for the private school. Over there, oh, we went straight to the bus with the construction trucking. This is the crane, and then this is the again Sitwin Mall. And over there is the train. We want to go there in this mall. I want to going there inside. What is it inside there? What is the room rent, or what is it, storage? Always I want to come there. You want to go there? You answer me la. Angry. Don't angry to other people la. Your system. Traffic. The bus. Taxi. Constructions. Car. Quickly go out. You see over there, stop, and we go now. Is the light. Green light. It's go. It's time to go. This is the Pangpangchun rail station. Other side. This is a, what is it? Not, I don't know what is it, the street. But still again, traffic. Where is your eyes go? You go to the eyes of what? My eyes seem like camera, you know? Even I know see your eyes, I understand where it go. This is the construction car. Trucking. Take the materials in and out. This one is also car. Even I know show you your eyes, I understand my eyes is like a camera. Don't thinking I'm no see. Don't argue me, okay?